Hello, my name is Lawrence Etzer. I'm the Deputy Chief Information Officer for the City of Toronto, and I've had the great opportunity to be invited and to be part of this process in terms of the IoT Intelligent City, the second annual Intelligent City Summit. I've got to listen to great content from great leadership about smart cities, big data, transforming in terms of how cities are approaching and utilizing the content to ensure that we are making citizen experience, the lives of citizens across government in a much more user-centric and user-friendly way. So it's been a great opportunity as part of the city to be participating in this event, and I look forward and I thank all the organizers who've put this event together for bringing a whole series of leadership based in the Toronto area, and also leadership who've come from various areas in North America to participate in this great event. So thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you in future years.
Hi, my name is Gary Kent. I'm the Commissioner of Corporate Services and CFO with the great city of Mississauga. So I attended the conference this year really as an opportunity to get some further insights as to the latest thinking across Canada and the world. It's been interesting to listen to global cities speak about their experience and their maturity, and also some smaller cities, and of course learn from the private sector, which we really need to keep doing. So all in all, it's been a great conference, and we look forward to next year's.
Hi, I'm Jessie Adcock. I'm the Chief Technology Officer for the City of Vancouver. We're here in Toronto for the Intelligent City Summit. It's been a really great couple of days, a really fantastic opportunity to network with other cities from across Canada, find out what they're doing in terms of their own smart city strategies. Also a great opportunity to see who is working with who in the smart city marketplace, and understanding just the general direction of where cities are headed. So I really appreciate the opportunity to come here and speak, but also really appreciate the opportunity to come here and network with colleagues and learn more about what's happening right across the country.
Hi, I'm David Graham, the Deputy Chief Operating Officer for the City of San Diego, and I'm here at the Intelligent Cities Summit. A great event in Toronto, bringing together leaders from all over Canada, both business leaders, city leaders, probably the most city leaders I've ever seen at a conference like this, to really talk about intelligent cities, what they are, and what the future of them will be. I think it's been a really impactful time coming from San Diego and sharing a U.S. perspective that really throughout North America we are facing a lot of the same challenges but also have the same opportunities. And thinking about Canadian cities and the leadership that they've had in this space for a long time, there's a lot of city-to-city learning that can happen that's also helping the business community understand the needs of cities, what citizens care about, what residents want. And I think the ultimate goal and the impact of this session is better learning between cities and businesses on the future. How we can maybe not future-proof cities, but be future-ready.
Hi, I'm Sandra Singh. I'm the Chief Librarian at Vancouver Public Library, and I found this Internet of Things conference a really excellent opportunity to hear from thought leaders and practitioners across the country in how they're contemplating the future of digital and the future of our communities.
My name is Leah Hanvey. I'm a business development for Urbanlogia, which is an artificial intelligence for urban planning startup based out of Vancouver, British Columbia. We're very excited to be here at the Intelligent City Summit to talk and build partnerships with cities and strategic partnerships with other companies as well. This has been a fabulous, very high quality event for us. A lot of really excellent decision makers have been here. We've had some excellent and very productive conversations, and it will lead to some really positive outcomes for us, and we think for the Intelligent Cities movement across Canada. So this has been a very worthwhile decision. We'd recommend it for anyone who's looking to come.
Good afternoon. My name is Tracy Fleming. I'm in the office of the CTO for Avaya. I was here this morning. I was speaking on intelligent or smart cities. A fantastic audience participation. One of the better sessions I've seen this year in terms of audience interaction, and the event's been absolutely fantastic.
Hello, my name is Gibran Chikh. I'm the Director of Innovative Transport for Parsons Corporation. Parsons has been a leading provider of smart cities and intelligent city solutions for years, ranging from intelligent transportation systems, positive train control, and other innovative delivery of urban infrastructure solutions. We really see this conference as being the type of place that our industry needs to be, to understand where cities are trying to get to, the technologies that they're considering using, and how to make sure that the services we provide them really map to an overall intent for what they want to get out of it and what they're trying to serve their communities with. So we've really gotten a great deal out of this event, and having our folks, a lot of our more traditional engineering staff, see what is going on and understand how the types of design and construction services we offer, how that whole strategy towards providing facilities and services is going to change in the years to come. This has really been worthwhile for our company.
Hi, so I'm Justin Trevan. I lead the digital group for Arup in Canada. And I'm also on the Board of Trade, the Regional Board of Trade Smart Cities Working Group. I co-chair that with Susan Vegas. And this event was really timely given the announcement of the Federal Smart Cities Challenge, and all of the municipalities across Canada are suddenly starting to think about intelligent cities, smart cities, future cities. And so this event seemed like a good one that brought all of those players together into one place where we could meet, we could talk about it, and we could start to understand what it means for them and how they're going to take it forward. And hopefully also collaborate with many of those people on that front. So met tons of great people, and it's been a good agenda too.
My name is Alex Gauthier. I'm Vice President Marketing at Amilia, and we came here because we think the smart city and all the intelligent initiatives across Canada are something to be a part of. I think it's 2017, 2018 is going to be the year where it really kicks off and into gear. We decided to join the Intelligent City Summit because of the quality of the delegates and attendees. We were really impressed by the quality of people and the quality of the interactions that we were able to have with all the delegates here, and the quality of the conversations that were done. So we'll be back for sure.
Hi, I'm Shawn. I'm the Director of IT and Chief Information Officer for the City of Mississauga. I've attended the event today. It's been a great event. Spoke this morning about the City of Mississauga and some of the things we're doing around smart city initiatives, about our public sector network, which is a private fiber network, and how we've used that to really connect things. So that's that, using IoT to improve services, and so connecting our traffic intersections, digital signage, the different aspects of city services, fire, transit, and really having a strong plan for the future. So we have a new IT master plan that really focuses on smart city and IoT, but also focuses more so on what are the priorities of the corporation and where to best invest to really make City of Mississauga a connected, engaged city and a smart city. So I had a great time at the conference today, and really have learned a lot from the other speakers as well.
Hi, I'm Councillor Bruce Hayne with the City of Surrey here at the IoT Conference, Smart City Conference in Toronto. And we've had a great couple of days here with various sessions, some very technical, some 30,000 foot level, but really it's been a very, very enlightening couple of days, I think, for everybody here. The Internet of Things and how it relates to cities and big data and smart city strategies is really, really an important topic these days. Municipalities are being asked to do far more with far less, downloading from senior levels of government and so on. And so we have to be making better decisions. We have to be making decisions that are fact-based, based on the data, the available data, and the historical data, so that when we make infrastructure investments for the future of our cities, we know that we're doing it with the best intelligence and best information that we have possible.
My name's Frank Campion. I'm Mayor of Welland, Ontario, Canada, and we're really interested in the smart, intelligent community initiatives that are going on. This has been a fantastic conference for us. We're just beginning the process in Welland. We've introduced a lot of different initiatives, and can see how we can bring those all together. It goes anywhere from our LED lighting that generates the opportunity for us to control all of our lighting systems, to hardwiring through fiber optics our facilities, to having open data available to our citizens for finance as far as budgeting and that sort of thing goes. So we've got a lot of different projects. What we're learning here is projects are great, but you've got to bring them all together to create this smart community that's going to enable us to move forward as an economic driver, also enables us to participate with our community, residents, and business. So the opportunities are great. Been a fantastic conference here. The summit's been really enlightening, and so we're going to take this information and go back and utilize it.
Hi, I'm Dr. Tyson with Apple Tree Medical Group.
And I'm Matthew Mizuko with Singh.
We just want to say that this was the best conference of the year. It was fantastic, and the Internet of Things is definitely making healthcare safer, more affordable, and more accessible for everyone. And so we're glad to be part of it.
We look forward to doing incredible things with data in the future.
Hi, my name is Louis Basque. Came to the Connected Cities event, IoT event, sorry to be specific, with Microsoft, who's one of our big partners. For me, I'm a sales director, and Trackopolis IoT Corp is a vendor and a potential platform and solution to help a lot of the end users who are here today. I think one of the things, I believe one of the things that I've enjoyed so much so far today is the content of the people speaking, and also the networking that has come from the event. Travel a lot, do a lot of trade shows, and I find that oftentimes when you leave them, you have many business cards, but not a lot of good follow-ups or people to call from that. And today, so far, I've talked to 5 to 10 people, and so is my sales rep for the Ontario region, and it's been just a really refreshing and a lot of good conversations to have from there. So we are also planning on attending the Calgary event for connected vehicles in Calgary, and I think that after our experience with today, we'll probably also join the IoT big data event for the oil and gas industry in Calgary. So I very much enjoyed my experience, and I recommend to anybody else too as much.
Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Stuart Cowan. I'm the Chief Scientist for the Smart Cities Council, and it's been a fantastic day looking at Internet of Things and where this industry might be heading. With the Council, we're working with cities all over the world, and increasingly they're finding new kinds of value from data. They're finding new ways to sense the city, new kinds of devices, sensors, switches. They're seeing the city in whole new ways, and that's allowing government services to be delivered more efficiently, more timely, more effectively. The growth projections are phenomenal for this whole industry, something like 20% compound growth rate over the next few years. We're looking at an industry that might hit $1 trillion by 2020 or so. And our particular interest is how can the Internet of Things really help people meet their everyday needs, have more vibrant lives, new economic opportunities, new ways to connect with each other, with other cities. So we're very hopeful about the next few years in this space.
Great. And did you enjoy the event so far?
This event has been fantastic. I learned some very interesting things about Toronto's plans, phenomenal things that the waterfront is doing around integrating smart, intelligent communities that I wasn't aware of. Fascinating to hear city officials really talking the language of big data, open data, very comfortable with it, wanting to use data across a variety of different city sectors. So we're seeing a real convergence of what cities are trying to do and the technical capabilities that some of the companies here are able to provide. So hopefully they're going to meet and be able to do exciting things over the next few years.
Great. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Steve. I'm a founder and CEO of Sensor Up and associate professor at the University of Calgary. And I'm also the chair of the conference, and I chaired the first day. And today's Intelligent Cities Summit is a great event. We found the audience are very much interested in the topic. They came here with questions, and so we had great discussions. And the time is right. Right now it's really the perfect storm of Internet of Things, big data, and smart cities. And people really want to do something innovative about it. And then they're interested in where to find the pilot, where to engage the citizens. It's a perfect timing, and then I think today is a great day.